John, I heard you coming in early.
1965 Chevelle. So this is a COVID build. It's going to be a nitrous motor, so I could do any kind of road racing, hill climbs. Still got all my gears there. Yeah, it took a lot to get that tucked under there, but
yeah. What's up, guys? Back at it. Bills by the Bay. We were almost leaving. Daily on Supercars. I know a lot of you JDM guys gonna appreciate it. We all are engine builders, whatever it is, and you guys are definitely gonna appreciate this bad boy here. Take a look at what we got here. What's your name again, Mauro?
John.
John, what's happening? John, I heard you coming in earlier, and this sounds it sounds a little crazy. Talk to me about this bad boy. What year is this, and what have you done to it?
1965 Chevelle. It's got an aftermarket Brodux small block Chevy. Did a little build on it. Show you under the hood.
I'm like, please do. Man, that thing looks pretty light. Is that carbon fiber?
Yeah, it's fiberglass.
Okay, wow, okay.
Fiberglass.
Ooh. John, what in the world do you have in here, guys? I mean, I'm not sure if you guys are looking at this, but yeah, this is something pretty unique. John, talk to me about this bad boy.
So this is a COVID build. Got the car all original in Connecticut. Obviously original straight six, Paraglide. Ended up going with the Brodux. Did a 418 small block.
You said 418 small block?
Yep. So
nice.
418 cubic inches. It's going to be a nitrous motor, so it's pretty much, it was built mostly for drag racing, but I did a full UMI suspension, fully adjustable all around, so I could do any kind of road racing, hill climbs. Pretty much a versatile car. I got a 4-speed overdrive in here, so I can still cruise. Still got all my gears there. Tires, Nitto 888s all around.
Nice. So you build this as a all-out car. You trying to do everything and everything.
Everything I possibly could. As
wow,
fast as I could do it.
That is incredible. That's incredible. Wow. Again, guys, yeah, this is a pretty unique build. Again, I was almost leaving, but I see this black beast coming in, and all you hear is that BA. I'm like, oh man, yeah, we're gonna have to talk. We're gonna have to talk definitely. And I see that back tire is pretty wide. What you got back there?
These are 305s. So it's about 12 and a half inches wide.
Wow, 305s. Wow. This is, yeah, this is deep. I mean, hopefully you guys are getting that. This is deep. This is a very nice build, guys.
Yeah, it took a lot to get that tucked under there, but
yeah, I can only imagine. I was just gonna ask you. Wow, so she's not rubbing, I can imagine.
No. This the whole fender's custom. Is pulled out, relined. Everything's rolled, mini tubbed. So that's the most amount of room I could possibly get out of all that.
Wow, she is a thing of beauty. And quick to you, going back to the engine, what are your power figures?
Looking at, it's not exact, it's not dynoed, but paper wise to the wheels a little over 600 NA, and then it's piston ring wise, it's all gap for nitrous, so I'll probably throw 250, 300 on there.
A shot.
Yeah.
And wow, yeah, that's an incredible thing. Yeah, guys, this engine and the way that it's sitting on here, yeah, this is something very nice, very I say unique in somewhat way. It's gonna be a first for the channel. Yeah, it's definitely a beautiful build. Wow. And you say you got something in the back, because you showed me earlier that you got the right tires. Are you hooking on these tires?
No, I'm not getting traction on these.
No traction on these.
No. I thought I'd get better traction with the Nittos. I'm gonna try different radials, but still not getting anything. So slicks, I'll get traction.
So, oh my God, guys, this guy's ready to go.
I'll move this so you can see the cage come through to the back of the frame, and then these are the mini tubs. So that's all tubbed out.
Wow, 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 wow. And I see you got a little, okay. I think I got another question for you. I got the biggest question for you. Right that we are back here. Is this a daily? Because, I mean, I see a lot of things for daily use here.
It's driven as much as possible.
Wow, 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 wow. So you're not afraid of gas. You just like, let's go.
No, you can't be worried about gas.
Go to the interior real quick. Show me that. So you got a, what's that, a full cage or half cage?
No, this is a full, this is actually, it only has 6 points right now, but it's an 8-point cage. And then I could even expand this further. So it's a little messy right now.
No, it's all right. It's fine. Listen, it's usable. It is usable. Guys, let me go around real quick because the sun is hitting it. We want to try to get you the best shot we can. John, this is a very nice build.
Thank you very much.
And this, I mean, everything looks original, looks so clean.
Yeah, so it's like a Dakota Digital for the dash. That's a full digital dash, but it has like, it's the original bezel.
Okay.
It gives that original
and
look.
Is that the steering wheel for it?
Yep, yes. Steering wheel, console's all original. The back seats, that's the original back seat.
Wow, she is a thing of beauty. And I see this cage, it's not playing around. This thing is it's heavily armored. Wow, and I see you got the NRG chairs. These are fakes, of course. Gotcha. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is a nice build. This is definitely a nice build. And you said somebody else has another build?
Yeah.
Similar to this?
Yeah, so my dad has a 64, so 1 year off. He has the first Chevelle ever built, and then this is the second year of Chevelles, so that was pretty cool. It's nice. Get to cruise around with him. His car's not done yet, but this one took about 2 years. We got it done. So.
Wow, wow, wow. Again, guys, it's a thing of beauty. And the way that the presence of this car, yeah, the presence of this car, it's wide, it's black. It has like a matte black, and it definitely stands out from anything else, of course. Wow. And what do you have planned for the future for it?
Just driving as much as possible. Definitely gonna probably throw nitrous on it this winter. Car's gonna get painted, so it'll look a little bit better. And yeah, pretty much just get everything buttoned up and get it out on the street as much as possible.
Wow. Yeah, again, guys, this guy is not afraid to drive it, so that's a beautiful thing. Again, I don't have anything against not driving your car, you know, but again, it's nice. I always say it's nice if you're building something right, you can enjoy it as well.
You gotta appreciate what you build.
Yeah, definitely. If you exactly, you know, we're not, I don't want to say like this, we're not in this earth forever, you know. And again, if you're spending so much time in something, might as well enjoy the way that you really want to. So, you know, that's what I say. Yeah, she is a thing of beauty. Can we get a sound check on there? Yeah, this thing is a wild beast, guys. Yeah, that V8 is not playing around. And what do you have for exhaust?
Exhaust, it's a full exhaust. It's short though. I only got about a 3-foot exhaust, but then it's a full 3-inch exhaust.
She's coming under there. And you said the bottom it's done as well?
Yeah.
She's on a full frame, you said?
Yeah, full frame up. Frame's painted, bottom of the car is coated. Everything's brand new underneath. The whole car was taken apart.
Wow, so this is a big project. So how many hours you say you probably got on this?
Hours I couldn't even.
Yeah.
I couldn't even give you.
Because I mean, 2 years of COVID.
Yeah, thousands.
Wow. 2 years of COVID, guys. You can only
During COVID, 40-hour weeks at least into the car.
Like a job.
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't have much to do. Again, I'm not sure.
I'm very grateful for COVID for that.
Yeah. Okay.
Me a lot of time and money, and was able to get this car done.
Wow, guys. Yeah, you get in there from the man itself. Yeah. John, we definitely appreciate your time. Thank you for being on the channel, and yeah, thank you again for that. Let me just give a quick walk around, and again, thank you for the time again. Yeah, guys, she sounds amazing. I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around. I don't want the sun to get in between, but she is a thing of beauty, guys. Definitely appreciate John for the time. And again, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys will trade your car in for something like this. But again, this is a lot of time to build. John, thank you again for the time.
Awesome, thank you for having me.